Just to follow up video to video I put up yesterday. Um, this kit I just bought, a resin kit for the Corvette from the movie Corvette Summer. Um, I remember when I first saw the movie when I was a kid, I always thought it was a really cool car, and a few weeks back it just came on mind to just do a search to see if there was a kit out there of it, and I was able to find a resin kit. As I mentioned in my previous video, it's not a full kit. You do need a donor. The donor is actually one of the Revell. I think it's a '69 Corvette Coupe. So anyways, I'll just give you a quick look at what comes with this kit. Of course, you get the wheels. These are the turbine style mags. For some reason, you get 5. Not sure why, but you can see there are 2 different sizes, front and rear. So they're quite nice. As you can see, it might be better with the lights off. So you can see they're very nice. So you get a bit of paint on those, they'll really come out nice. Like I said, there's 5 there. I'm not sure if you just put the 5th one in by mistake or what. These are the side exhausts. Of course, being a resin kit, there's a lot of cleanup that needs to take place. So you get, of course, 2 of those, right and left. They're also quite nice. You get the interior door panels. Driver and passenger, of course. Now, one thing I never did like about the car, and that's the fact that it's right-hand drive. So you do get the parts or the dashboard to make it a right-hand drive car. However, I don't think that I'm going to do that. I think I'm going to leave it as a left-hand drive. Like I said, even as a kid watching the movie, I never was crazy about the fact that it was a right-hand drive car. But when I get around to building it, I'll see. Might have my mind changed by then. I think this is a rear. I think this is a rear part of the rear panel here. I believe. I'm not 100% sure. And you get this rear taillight section. I want to focus. You can see there it has Stingray, just like in the movie. So a little bit of polishing up on this and coloring in that script. Should look pretty good. You also get these clear orange parts for the lights, rear lights as well. And then you get these small discs of brass screen. I'm not actually 100% sure what those are for. I don't know if it's for the intake louvers on the hood, or I'm not sure exactly what they're for, but should be no problem to figure that out. And You get the interior tub. I'm sure that the interior tub that comes with the Revell kit would probably fit this, but I think the reason why you get one is again because of the right-hand drive configuration. Sorry guys, just excuse me for 1 sec. Grab that. Sorry about that. So you also get a new chassis pan. Of course, like I said, this is all just flash from the resin, all of this stuff. So it's, you know, a lot of cleanup here. But I mean, resin kits, that's just to be expected. And here's the main body. So again, quite nice. You could cut these T-tops out if you want it. Again, that's just flash from the resin. Again, just flash there. And of course, the part that I showed last night, the front hood, front section. So that's basically what comes in the kit. You know, like I said, resin kits, there's a lot of cleanup. There'll be a lot of work to turn it into a really good looking model. Of course, the one thing that is missing is there are no decals with it. So you either have to paint the flames on or make decals yourself. If you try to get somebody to make them for you, it would definitely cost a lot of money to do that. So anyways guys, that's what comes in the kit, and thanks for watching, and hope you stay tuned for the next video.